Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to hide a yawn easily, and this will be a tutorial. So let's get into this instructional video tutorial. So we're going to get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'm going to show you the process for hiding a yawn. Now, you might be in a situation where you feel like you have to yawn, but you're like, I don't really want to look like I'm yawning. Maybe you're in a presentation and, you're tired, but, you might even be in an interview, something that like was one-on-one and it's super important, or maybe you're on a date or whatever the case is, whatever the reason is, you might be somewhere where you feel like you have to yawn, but you don't want to show the yawn. And sometimes you can't resist the yawn. Like you got to get it out, but you don't want to show it. You don't want it to be known. So you can hide a yawn pretty easily. And basically what you're going to want to do is a couple things. First and foremost, you're going to want to use your nose to control the air for the yawn. So usually when you yawn, you open your mouth like that, but you're not going to do that. You're going to use the nose, your nostrils, nose breathing to control your yawning air. That's the first thing. Okay. Secondly, usually when you yawn, you might open your jaw completely. You're going to yawn like that. You're going to try and open your jaw as a little as you possibly can. Naturally, you're going to want to open your jaw when you yawn, of course, but try and make it just a little bit, okay? And thirdly, and the last thing is you want to keep your lips closed. Usually when you yawn, you go right like that, but you're going to keep your lips closed, okay? And those are the things that you're going to do. So I'm actually going to demonstrate now because I'm pretty good. I don't want to say I can yawn on command, but like I can yawn pretty easy. So I'm going to yawn right now. This is what a regular yawn would look like. So look, I'm literally yawning. Look. That's a regular yawn, okay? Ooh. Literally, I could just yawn. It's pretty crazy. But anyways, the hiding yawn is going to look a little different. I don't know if I can do it on command right now because it's kind of close together to the last one that I just did. But I'm going to show you what I would do. Essentially, keep your lips sealed. Okay, and I said it in a different order, but it doesn't really matter as long as you're doing all those things. Keep your lips sealed. Only open your jaw a little bit and control the breathing through your nose. So it's going to look like this. My lips are going to stay sealed. I'm going to open my jaw just a bit, and I'm going to yawn, breathing-wise, controlled through my nose. So it's going to look like this. And I basically did a minor yawn. That wasn't a full yawn, but the feeling was there of the yawn, right? So that's what it would look like. And obviously, like, the more you can maintain a normal facial expression and normal eye contact, the better that it's going to be in terms of hiding it. So just keep your lips sealed, open your jaw only a little bit, and control the breathing through your nose in terms of the yawn air. And if you do that, you should be able to hide the yawn easily. Does that mean that no one's going to know that you're yawning? No. They might still know that you're yawning, but I think they'll appreciate the fact that you're trying to hide it instead of just blatantly like, oh, in the middle of a presentation, they'll appreciate the fact that you might be yawning, and that's totally fine because it's a natural human thing to do, but you're going to be trying to control it and hide it. So I think they'll have an appreciation for that. But that's it. That is how to hide your yawn and how to control it and how to make it as hidden as possible. And yeah, I hope that you've enjoyed the video. But other than that, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we are going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here's the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more good videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.